If you're currently holding DJT, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video. Very important update. Yesterday, we did get very high, a very high total short sale ratio, 15.03%. Like I told you guys before, anytime that we see anything above 8%, we consider that an aggressive short sale ratio. Here yesterday, Tuesday, extremely high, 25.15 million shares in total short volume. Majority of that did come, ladies and gentlemen, from that aggressive short selling right at the open, which dropped us to that 43.52. With that being said, today's aftermarket selling pressure that we did receive on instead of the buying pressure that we actually needed to force that short cover here early off in today's trading day, we didn't get it, ladies and gentlemen, which actually puts us in the shorts side of the field. The ball is in the shorts court right here currently, which gives them momentum to currently hold those positions from yesterday's carryover. Like I said before, 25.15 million shares at a closing price of 51.51, ladies and gentlemen. That is incredible. We expected to see a massive short cover wave due to that high short sell activity here yesterday, but this selling pressure really deflated that here early off. Now, that doesn't mean that we're not going to see a short cover take place. Like I said before, you want to wait and see how the market reacts to the opening share price. Again, we are short sale restricted, so we don't expect to see aggressive short selling like we did see here yesterday. Now, if we do see this thing actually slip to the downside, then it's more than likely just going to be selling by long shareholders or retail investors. It will not be in the fashion of aggressive short selling because those short orders cannot be placed on the downtick. And that is why I'm suggesting to you guys to wait and see how the market reacts to the opening share price, because it's going to be very interesting. As you all know, with that huge short position taken here yesterday, if we do get slight buying pressure right at the open, those short positions that is currently in a profit taking situation here, that profit margin starts to close, which can ultimately cause those shorts to begin to close their position as well. And that is what we're looking for throughout the trading day here in DJT. Today's selling pressure in the pre-market isn't all bad, ladies and gentlemen. I do feel as though that we're going to get a volatile reaction at the open pretty darn quickly. It may come in the fashion of retail investors just locking in those gains and the race to sell may begin, or we're going to see a short cover wave. I don't expect to see aggressive short selling right at the open because of the SSR for sure. Just looking at the huge net outflow in favorment from yesterday, 53.87 million. That is extremely high, and majority of that was in favored on the large scale. Yes, we got net inflow in favorment on the extra large scale, but that actually did take place after we bottomed out at that 43.52. Like I told you guys before, we tend to actually see a chain reaction from these orders. We see the extra large and the large tend to make the medium scale react, and the small scales tend to actually react to the medium scale. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, look out for a short cover wave throughout the trading day. If that does not happen, then we may be in the race to sell. So with that being said, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.